Oh, that's hilarious. Honda behind me, coming on the interstate with me, doesn't like that I'm going 5 miles over the speed limit.
Glenn Beck.
It's pathetic what they've done to this guy. After it happened, the young woman discussed it with friends, and she has been in prolonged discussions about her concerns about this individual for a good period of time. I tell you folks, ladies...
Still can't go with them federal when we're off too.
Right.
It is, South Carolina does have to play the law, so usually I don't call you if they...
Parkway an accident. Other accidents, 2 on Wright Shore Road slowing traffic, 1 at Glen Avenue, that's near Highland Avenue, and Wright Shore Road in front of Jimmy Loop. Another accident, Center Road.
17 Infiniti Q60 Sport 400 in dynamic sunstone red with lipstick interior. Technology package, 100 clean Carfax with over 15,000 miles, offering $39,800. So come see me, Frank Gibbs.
Silence the clattering machines, but as the BBC's Mike Johnson reports, some people are rediscovering the typewriter's virtues.
This is an Olympia, German manufacturer. After the war, apparently Anne Hurst,
Execute missions every day.
More music right now. You heard me? On Power 107.
that I'm acting confused when you're close to me.
All East District fits in and does affect all ranges in all communities. So if there's an issue with growth specifically in his community, then get with Sheriff Roundtree and let's work to alleviate that.
It's horrible. They don't want that rebroadcast. And let me tell you where it gets abused a lot is in sporting events. You got to be real careful with that because, again, the NFL spends a lot of money on, or charges a lot of money for people to be able to do stuff. And
a local municipal complex or county or whatever buying the locking down would be the worst thing that can happen, primarily because if it did,
in general, is about half and half. But you've got Republican and Democrats working.
Restrictions and details of store.
Sweet strawberry icing. You were
Oh my God!
in Goodwill when just past that mid-century side table and denim jacket you spotted them, nestled in their display case.
and we got the profit, and we both. Jackie Hollander is her name. It's not Jackie.
Jackie Daughtry was how I knew her, but yeah, you're right. Hollander is her name.
You were searching for her name there a little bit ago. And,
yeah, Jackie Daughtry was her name when I knew her, and she was married to Mr. Daughtry, and the guy from...
You should visit jobs.baesystems.com to view a full list of open positions and job requirements. BAE Systems is an equal opportunity employer.
Come party for a great cause. This WGAC invites you to celebrate the mission of the American Heart Association. Enjoy a night of elegance and fundraising at the Heart Ball.
She stole on me. That's not right. That's not right at all.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-20.
So what was your most favorite? What's your most favorite thing that your mom cooks?
Oh my goodness. She makes homemade bread, homemade desserts. Eating at Hazel's house is an experience, and everybody that.
Payment systems, I'm sure a word with my friends out there who happen to be handymen or what I call visit the home workmen. People who you call up, whether it's a plumber or a handyman or a painter, perhaps a yard maintenance person who comes to your house, performs a service, and
well, you're sincerely stupid.
You need to be able to take credit cards. You got to keep up with the modern world.
Where'd you come from? Back off.
Never. Castrol Edge full synthetic, just $28.99. Quality parts, helpful people. That's Napa know-how.
Napa know-how.
General States pricing. Sales prices do not include applicable state local taxes or recycling fees. Offer ends 2/28/19.
And the WGB-FHD Channel 6 newsroom.
Higher than what it would be. But there's a couple reasons why. One of those plans we didn't select because it was cost prohibitive. It would have doubled the cost of what we were allowed to spend. And then the other one would have caused flooding impacts. And we certainly want to avoid flooding impacts when we have high water.
He says the drawdown shows water levels at their expected lowest. The final decision on the replacement proposal is expected in August. Now our top national story, Amazon is dropping New York City as one of its new headquarters locations and will not search for a replacement site. The deal would have brought 25,000 jobs to the Big Apple. Amazon reversed course after politicians and others objected.
We're coming up on 10 after. 58 former senior national security officials, both Democrat and Republican, will issue a statement today saying there is no factual basis to President Trump's declaration of a national emergency on the U.S. southern border. Congress.
We believe that great businesses are powered by great people. And with Kronos Workforce Solutions, we'll help you find them, keep them, and engage them. Learn more at Kronos.com.
We're heating and air for 15 years now. You will love the service they bring you. You'll love the quality
streams of information.
Right turn from the left lane.
To distract you. I've been chasing. What am I fading? Let it fade. Let it break into pieces. Just give me cheese.
Wrong side of the road. Was that a right turn from the left?
How were the pictures leaked? That's a big question. Apparently, the woman on the receiving end of this.
In half a mile, turn left onto Washington Road.
They were selling furniture here at the White Columns Inn because they're remodeling. I saw it on Facebook. And they're...
What? What can you do about that for price? I mean, he ain't gonna put up with it, you know what I'm saying, for much longer.
You want to turn left? You want to turn right? Okay.
Now before 6 o'clock. Mary Liz Nolan, Steve Smith, Zach Taylor, and John Patrick. Morning, morning. Everybody's good? Everybody's all right?
In half a mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 1C from Marks Church Road toward Wheeler Road.
And WGAC 24-hour news traffic and weather center. I'm Zach Taylor.
A chance of showers tonight, then partly cloudy overnight. Budget down to 51 for the overnight.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 1C.
70% chance of showers and 69. Friday looks wet as well, mostly cloudy. A 60% chance of showers and 72. And then for the weekend,
in a quarter mile.
Our friend Ryan Abel, who's maybe the most famous big barreling singer out there in Augusta these days, I'm talking about local, does not like Adam Lambert singing with Queen, and he says that he takes too many licenses with the
674. Daily commentary is also located on our website at edwardjones.com.
WGAC News Time is 5:34. Traffic and weather are coming up.
Wow.
Messaging data rates may apply.
When did it become?
I'm not really that interesting, am I? I don't think I'm that interesting.
East Cleveland. The video, just produced by local mass transit, then shows the man chasing after the train as it suddenly starts to leave because his baby is still on board. Luckily, the train
That's not why it left.
told about the child before reaching the next station.
We're all going to be trying to get them too. We need to do what we can. Georgia's a better place. You got mountains, you got ocean, you got the Bulldogs, right? Absolutely. 3 great things. There you go. All right, we'll take it 6 Flags over Georgia. We'll take a quick break.
Fox News.
Free money for everyone. The experiment comes to an end.
2 years ago, Finland selected 2,000 unemployed people at random and began paying them a small regular monthly income, which didn't change even if they found work. 2 years later, Finland says the money did not encourage people to work more. A disappointing result for supporters.
You're listening to Russia's Week in Review.
I don't know. I'm thinking deeply about this.
How to react to this new deal members of Congress came up with on the continuing resolution that must.
Oh, good night.
They got help coming. Look at that big hunk of metal to my left.
You okay? Oh, good night. Jesus. I know it's bad.
That guy's angry. No good.
No, it's not good. Oh, good night.
They got crunched up pretty good.
What happened?
Hit something right there.
Why does all the police care?
Emily, I don't know. That's what they call for people to help.
Oh, look at all that
Oh,
water.
good night.
Whoa, it caught fire while we were gone.
Oh, shoot.
I think that truck's totaled.
Oh, my God. That thing is totaled.
Oh, yeah.
One top priority. We chose Taylor Hyundai and the nationwide lifetime powertrain warranty. Nobody offers a warranty this good.
We had a few financial issues and it dropped our credit score.
Child's hospital. I have a child's hospital.
All right, I can run a red light legally.